Subscribe to Bizbo and press the bell icon. See boring news turn into enjoyable stories. When was the last time Virat Kohli scored a century in any format? Almost 2 years back in November 2019 in the pink ball test match against Bangladesh in Kolkata, where he scored 136 runs. In the 17 test innings he has played since then, he scored just 407 runs at an average of 24 with 3 ducks and 3 scores of below 5. In fact, India won the 2021 away series against Australia 2-1 without Virat Kohli in the lineup. After he left behind a team in tatters, bundled out for 36, India's lowest ever score in Test cricket. While Virat left the Indian dressing room for the labour room, where his wife Anushka gave birth to a sweet little girl, India's stand-in captain Ajinkya Rahane gave birth to a new Indian team, where unknown heroes like Shubman Gill, Washington Sundar, Shardul Thakur, T. Natarajan and the spirited Mohammad Siraj, in company of the unique and supremely talented Rishabh Pant, rallied around seniors like Rohit, Pujara, Ashwin to win the series 2-1 after being down in one of the greatest comeback wins since VVS Lakshman and Rahul Dravid's 2001 partnership that won the match for India after following on. Similarly at Lords, in yet another of India's historic come-from-behind wins, it was Shami and Bumrah with the bat who gave India a total to defend on the 5th day. In fact, Shami's average of 28.7 with the bat in England is even better than Virat's 23.8. Virat's contribution of 40 and 12 in the Lord's Test were ultimately insignificant to victory. Even in the first test at Nottingham, where India were left chasing 150 to win on the last day, Virat had made a duck in the first innings, and we will never know if he would have come good in the second as rain washed out play. Gavaskar, who now predicts
a 4-0 washout win for India,
does so on the strength of India's batting and bowling depth, not on the basis of the captain's performances. So how much rope does one give a non-performing captain like Kohli? Especially when there are talented players like Prithvi Shaw, Mayank Agarwal, Hanuma Vihari and more sitting on the bench. While the media puts pressure on the quiet Pujara, average 26, and Jinx, 27, who like Kohli, average 24, are also going through a rough patch, they do not judge the verbose Virat Kohli by the same standards, as the captain seems to get a free pass. Virat needs to stand up and be counted when the next test starts at Headingley, Leeds. Or like Tendulkar before him, who relinquished captaincy so that I could concentrate on my batting. And even MS Dhoni, who handed over captaincy in stages in a smooth transition, while serving as wicketkeeper batsman and a sounding board to the skipper. Ian Chappell relinquished captaincy and continued as a member of the playing 11 under his brother Greg. In the summer of 1997, Mark Taylor dropped himself from the playing 11 for the last ODI match in England. Next year, he declared at an individual score of 334 when he was 1 run short of breaking Don Bradman's record of being the highest scorer for Australia. People seem to be confusing aggression with performance. Even quiet confidence is enough. Don't believe me? Just ask the Aussies or the English. Bizbo's Limerick. We need some runs from Captain Kohli. Questioning a leader isn't so unholy, because talking straight, captaincy is priceless real estate, should be handed over to someone else wholly. Subscribe to Bizbo and click on the bell icon to get notified whenever Bizbo releases a new video. Sources of all our information is listed in the video description section.